The Sierra Nevada region is vital to California. It is a major source of both clean air and water. But these resources are vulnerable. Millions of trees have died from insects and drought. Wildfires continue to grow larger and more damaging. And population is increasing in both the region and across the state, placing more demand on these limited resources. To address these challenges, the Sierra Nevada Conservancy and the USDA Forest Service have launched the Sierra Nevada Watershed Improvement Program, or WIP. The WIP will coordinate forest and watershed restoration activities. It will help increase both the pace and scale of this restoration work across the entire Sierra Nevada. To reach our restoration goals, we need widespread collaboration to encourage investment in ecologically sound restoration practices, to improve policies for the restoration work, and to develop our capacity to process wood and biomass. With the help of a diverse group of stakeholders, we have developed a regional strategy that will help guide the WIP. This strategy identifies the steps needed to achieve our objectives. It builds upon existing efforts and provides a basis for exploring new models for restoration. It is not our intent to create a single set of priorities, but rather to assist the activities already underway by multiple organizations. We have different missions, but we all share the common goal of a healthy and resilient Sierra Nevada region. You can help by carrying this message to key decision makers. 1. The Sierra Nevada region is critical to the well-being of California. 2. The values provided by the Sierra Nevada, including clean air and water, are at risk. And 3. We are ready to take action to protect this region with the Sierra Nevada Watershed Improvement Program. For more information, visit www.restorethesierra.org.